Hello everyone. Today the subject is Indian polity and the topic is provisions of constitution and their source. So here from which source the provisions have been taken. So this is the list of provisions and source. The first one is the parliamentary system with ministerial responsibility, law making procedures, rule of law, system of single citizenship. So these four provisions were taken from United Kingdom Constitution, UK Constitution. And the next, federation with a strong center, distribution of powers between union and states, and placing residuary powers with the center. These two provisions were from Canadian Constitution. Next, emergency and its effect on fundamental rights. So this is the provision taken from Weimar Constitution of Germany. So next one, the independence of judiciary, judicial review, President as the executive head, President as the supreme commander of the armed forces, the Vice President as the ex officio chairman of the Council of States or Rajya Sabha, and fundamental rights, preamble, removal of Supreme Court and High Court judges. So these 8 provisions were taken from the USA Constitution. Next one, fundamental duties. The provision of fundamental duties was taken from Japanese Constitution, and Republic is from French Constitution. And constitutional amendments is the provision taken from South African Constitution. The concurrent list, the provision regarding trade, commerce and intercourse. So these two provisions were from Australian Constitution. Directive principles, method of election of president, the nomination of members of the Rajya Sabha by the president. These 3 provisions were from Irish Constitution. This is the end of the session. Thank you.